Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This morning when I went down to the river, the water is very high because we have several inches of rain in the last few days. I used my cell phone to shoot this footage, and I'm able to place the cell phone very close to the water. This gives me a very different perspective of the river that I normally do not see. And I really enjoy this view, and I hope you like it as well. In this video, I would like to show you a dinner party that I have with our neighbors. Here is Don. He is a farmer, and he lives right across from where we live. And this is his wife, Sue. And over at the back, this is my wife, Joni. We had our dinner outdoor. It's a beautiful evening, but it is a different type of dinner because they're going to cook the dinner themselves. This is in many ways a cooking class that I use my fast cooking system. We are going to use a camping stove, and I use a wok just I would normally use inside the house. And we are going to cook 4 dishes. I'm going to let Don and Sue, each of them to cook 2 dishes, and I will guide them through the process. The first dish is a scrambled with tomato and scallions. The second dish is a vegetarian fried rice dish with frozen vegetables. The third dish is a chicken stir-fry dish with asparagus, sugar snap peas, zucchinis, and tomatoes. The fourth dish is a shrimp stir-fry dish with pineapples, sugar snap peas, zucchini, and tomatoes. Don and Sue has never stir-fried in a wok before, but I'm going to guide them through the process. They're each going to cook 2 dishes. Unfortunately, my video camera stopped after they cooked the 3rd dish, so I will not have the final dish. And it was a lot of fun to cook with them, and they did an excellent job. Okay, so let's get started. Sue is going to cook the first dish, which is a scrambled with tomato and scallions. Canola. Yeah. So you can kind of tilt the oil, kind of tilt the wok a little bit so that the oil will flow over the surface. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. You got it right there. So I'm going to let this, you notice that it starts to smoke a little bit, right? Mm-hmm. And that is the time when the wok is being seasoned. And so I'm going to pour about half of the... Okay, now you use the wok spatula to push the egg into the middle. You see nothing stick to it. Right, so now you just push it into the middle, because that allows the uncooked egg to flow to the edge, so it cooks very fast. Yeah. Yeah. Keep pushing it. Yeah, you are doing good. I'm gonna put the tomatoes in it. Now you use the wok spatula to turn the egg over into it. Yeah. Keep turning it.
What are you saying? What Pat says? I love to eat out. I admit it. I do.
Yeah. So I'm going to put a bit green onion onto it and keep folding it.
Okay.
Keep folding it. You are done. So isn't it fast?
Yes, that was very fast. Yes.
Okay. So you can...
We don't go out to eat very much because he cooks so much.
Yeah.
And if we do, he grumbles. He absolutely complains.
Oh,
You mean?
about the food or the prices or?
Oh,
Oh,
I
yeah.
think he does better
The
at home.
prices are definitely. It makes you stop and think a little bit about eating out sometimes.
Okay, now Don is going to cook a vegetarian fried rice dish, which contains sweet peas, corns, green beans, carrots, and edamame. I would guess probably about maybe 400,
Okay.
450 degree.
Yeah, that gets hot fast.
Yeah, it gets hot really fast. This is for $15. This is a really nice wok.
Yeah. Well, this little burner setup's neat.
Yeah, this burner works really well. I use this for my cooking class.
Okay.
So I will set up basically the student would do exactly what you are doing. So I would set up 5 burners, and then 2 people will work as a team. So that will start to smoke. So I'm going to put the eggs into it, and the egg will start to bubble up right away. And so you can now use the wok spatula to push the egg into the center. Yeah, so just scramble it actually, basically. Yeah, you can just break it apart even more. Yeah. And then turn, use the wok spatula to turn it, so that would make it cook faster. You're doing good. You're doing good. So next, I'm going to put the rice in it. Now you can I'm going to give you a different tool. You can put the wok spatula right on somewhere here. I'm going to give you this, and you can use this to break it apart.
All right.
But hang on to the wok. Yep. Perfect. Yeah.
Now is that frozen?
This is cooked rice. It's not frozen. It just comes from the refrigerator. And fried rice, you need to make sure the rice is dry. Otherwise, they will stick together.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know anything about rice, so I don't.
Yeah. So. Okay. So keep breaking it up. You're almost there.
Fujiyami. That's what I know about it.
Fried rice. So what he is doing is now he's using this something called hamburger meat masher to break up the rice. Yeah. Okay. This is the long grain rice. It's a jasmine rice. That's come from Thailand.
Yeah, is that right?
Okay. So the next to make this fried rice, I'm going to put in. This is a frozen vegetables. I'm going to take this from you. And now you can use the wok spatula to mix everything together. Yeah. So just mix everything together. Now this, this is a mixed frozen vegetable mix. We have corn, and then the green stuff there, that's soybean.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. They call it edamame.
I couldn't come up with the name. Yeah, the kids like that.
Oh, they like it?
Yep.
Yeah. So keep turning it. Yep. So I'm going to add a little bit of this seasoning mix, which contains a little onion and mushroom seasoning. It makes the fried rice taste more, has a savory. Okay, keep mixing it. You're doing good. Almost done. Yeah, he's doing good. Yeah, and he's good at the wok spatula. Yeah, looks good. So keep turning it. So I'm going to turn it off now. It's almost done. But I'm going to have you taste it. And you can tell me how you want to adjust the flavor. You want it to be more salty.
Oh, it's fine to me. I mean, I don't. With my taste buds, you're asking the wrong person.
Yeah, they do.
See whether you would like to
Okay,
add,
if
add a little
add
more
something
salt.
or what do you, is it really hot?
She's thinking.
Yeah, it needs some, I'm not sure what.
A little bit more salty or?
No, it's plenty salty. It's a little dry. Is there another?
Okay.
Some oyster sauce or
I'll put the oyster sauce on it, and then he would mix it up, and you can try it.
Gee, I guess I wouldn't know that because I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to be.
Yeah, I mean, I just know what I've had.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I want you to get it
What
to
you
the way
like.
how you like it.
It's no right or wrong. It's how you like.
Yeah.
Okay, now give it a try.
I eat a lot of steak. That's my problem. And what was that you put in there?
I put in a little
It's
bit
oyster
oyster sauce.
Okay.
Do you want a little bit more?
A little bit, but it's better. It's not. But I would think I'd add a little more.
Oyster sauce. Huh?
Yeah.
He buys it by.
Is it too? Is it?
Oh, watch out, Joni.
Oh, come on. You're good. Go. Go.
Know where the
Don't
food is.
do it.
Let's see.
We need you.
You
to-
try it.
Yeah, that is.
See what you think. I'm sure it's fine now. You think it needs more?
I think it's fine.
Okay.
I mean, I don't.
All right.
What do you think?
Well, no, I'm sure it's fine probably now. It just was a little dry to start with.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Next, Sue is going to cook a chicken stir-fry dish.
So basically,
with
what I'm doing
asparagus,
is that I'm cooking everything
zucchini,
in this
tomatoes,
order,
and
that from
sugar snap
mild
peas.
flavor to stronger flavor, so I don't have to wash the wok.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe I guess didn't put that a certain order in.
Okay, so I'll let you put this in there. I'll have you hold it. Yeah, so you can spread out the chicken a little bit. The chicken, no, the chicken has been frozen. So basically, because I have cooked the chicken, you are basically like doing what they call shallow frying. So you fry on one side to make it a little bit crispy, and then you flip it over.
That's what Josh said, that it's
Yeah.
crispy, yeah. Is this spread out good enough?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
So because the asparagus takes very little time to cook, so we're gonna cook the chicken almost done, and then we put in the asparagus. And then after we cook the asparagus, we put in some mushroom, and we put in some potatoes.
Okay.
So I'll make sure you eat a lot of vegetables.
Well, that's good for you.
Okay, so you want to turn the wok around so you can hang on to the handle. Good. Now you can turn it.
Okay.
So you got the other side nice and dry. So we're gonna try. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. So now you see it got a nice.
Coating, right.
Coating,
I
yeah.
see that.
So I'm gonna put the asparagus in it. So now you can stir fry it.
Okay, so just keep turning it.
Like turning it, yeah. Just like we. Okay, so keep doing that. And I'm going to put for you. I'm going to put a little bit of sweet cheese. A little bit of zucchini. Not very much, but the asparagus is the main thing in this. Very good. A little bit tomato. Okay. So I'm going to put some oyster sauce in for you.
Why oyster sauce? I mean, I've never cooked with oyster sauce.
I'll
So.
explain to you in a minute. So keep stirring. So this will give you a teriyaki flavor.
Oh, I like teriyaki. Okay.
I'm going to turn this down a little bit. I'm going to put in a bit what is called hoisin sauce.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Keep turning it. I'm going to turn it off. We are done. I'm going to give you a spoon so you can taste the flavors how you like it, and then we'll adjust the flavor more.
What part? What should I
Or
taste?
anything, just get a little bit of the sauce or get an asparagus.
Well, I can get it on my spoon here.
Be careful, this might be hot.
Yeah, I'll wait a second here. That's good.
That's good? Then it changed in flavor. Do you want it to be
That's fine.
saltier or
No.
sweeter? No, you like it exactly. Okay, so I'll put it over.
Do that, the chicken.
Chicken with a bunch of veggies.
Yeah, asparagus, tomato,
The
zucchini.
asparagus is very good. Now you didn't grow. Did you grow these?
And we've had a lot of fun, and I enjoy cooking with Sue and Don. And this is a good way for me to demonstrate my fast cooking system. And the word fast stands for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and 10 place-based cooking. And the purpose of this cooking system is to make home cooking practical, efficient, creative, and fun, so you can make it as part of your daily routines. If you'd like to learn more about this cooking system, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you tomorrow.